Good morning, Oklahoma, and welcome to Cow-Calf Corner. This week we talk about body condition scores on beef cows and kind of managing or feeding to optimize those by the time those cows calve. We continue to deal with stressed pasture conditions and lack of rainfall in Oklahoma. And so just thinking about the normal ebb and flow of body condition on cows as they go through their productive lifetime, typically we would think that a dry cow without the nutritional stress of lactation should put on some weight, some flesh, some body condition, and be at about her high point at the time she calved. Once she goes through the stress of calving and begins to lactate, it makes sense she's going to lose some body condition up to the point of weaning as that calf gets bigger and bigger and puts more stress on her consuming milk that she's producing. And so we address body condition scores this week from a standpoint that now is the time, if we're weaning off those spring-born calves, or in weeks to come when we're doing that, it's the time to assess the body condition score on our cows and kind of target where we want to get them to by the point they calve. Now, how do we go about doing that? Typically, if let's say we look at a cow that weighs about 1,200 pounds right now, and she's a body condition score 5, we feel like we want to put about a half body condition score on her. Maybe she's a 4.5. We need to put a full body condition score on her because we generally like to keep our cows at about a 5.5 target at the point they calve, knowing that that's going to increase the likelihood that they get rebred in that 80 to 85 day window postpartum that keeps them on schedule to raise and wean a calf every 12 months. So say we got that 1,200 pound cow, she's a body condition score 5. About how much weight should she gain to get to a body condition score 6? About 7% of her body weight. So if we do the math, if we're at a 5 right now, we want to get her to a 6, we're going to put about 84 pounds or take her to about 1,284. By that same token, a 1,200 pound cow and a body condition score 5, she's going to drop to about a 4 by losing 7% of her body weight. So taking away that 84 pounds makes her about 1116 when she drops to a body condition score 4. The body condition scores are covered in Chapter 20 of the latest edition of the OSU Beef Manual. The scores range from 1 to 9. 1 is an extremely thin, emaciated kind of cow. 9 is an obese kind of cow. And they are provided as a management tool to producers to try to do what we're discussing this week. Assess that body condition, manage and feed accordingly to optimize reproductive efficiency in our cow herd. I hope this helps, and thanks for joining us this week on Cow-Calf Corner.